Hello, welcome to Dead Coder. Now we discuss about how to download DaVinci Resolve. To download DaVinci Resolve, first open any browser and search for DaVinci Resolve. Open the link which is provided by Blackmagic. This is the official website to download DaVinci Resolve. Now click on Free Download Now. Here, you will get the free version and studio version, which is paid. Now, according to your OS, click on it to download the selected version of it. I'm downloading the Windows version of DaVinci Resolve. Now you need to enter your details in the registration form. And click Register and Download. The download begins.
It will take few minutes to download based on your internet connection.
After completion of download, click on the folder icon at top right to open the downloaded file location. Now, right-click on the file, select Extract All, and click Extract to extract the files from zip folder. I'm selecting the file and pasted it on Downloads and deleted the unnecessary folders. You can skip this step. Now double-click on the exe file you downloaded and wait for it to complete extraction. It will take some time to extract. Now, leave them as usual and click on Install to install the necessary components. Click on Next and agree the terms and conditions. Click on Next and Install to start installation. And finally, click on Finish to complete installation. Click OK. And now the DaVinci Resolve appears on your desktop. Now we discuss about how to set up the DaVinci Resolve. Open the DaVinci Resolve by double-clicking on the desktop shortcut and wait for it to open. Now it will check the system compatibility to see how it will perform with DaVinci Resolve 20.2. Click on Continue and press Quick Setup. Click on Continue and select Ultra HD, since I will be working with 4K video. Then click Continue again to choose my media location, which you can change by clicking on Search icon. Click Continue to choose my keyboard layout, and I leave setting to DaVinci Resolve. Click Continue and Start, which will open the free editing software. And the last thing you need to do is to give permission to the DaVinci Resolve to access my network for future updates. Now I am ready to edit videos in DaVinci Resolve. Hopefully this video will help you to download DaVinci Resolve. Make sure to hit subscribe to get the latest videos. Thank you.